Picture a bird, got it? Now multiply its size by 10 or even 20. Welcome to the realm of the world's largest birds. Let's traverse this avian world, shall we? First up, the ostrich, the undisputed heavyweight champion of birds, tipping the scales at over 300 pounds. Next, the emu from Australia, standing tall at 6 feet, yet only weighing a fraction of the ostrich at a mere 130 pounds. Third, we meet the southern cassowary, another Australian native with a powerful kick to defend itself. Fourth, the king penguin from Antarctica, the largest of all penguins, tipping the scales at around 33 pounds. Lastly, the greater rhea from South America, a flightless bird that can sprint at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. There you have it, the 5 largest birds in the world. Fascinating, isn't it?